The level of radiation emitted by the iPhone 12 has caused France to ban this device from sales. Although the reality of things is that Apple no longer officially sold this device, at least it was no longer in its official catalog, but possibly there were still some vendors offering this device that now can no longer sell it. It has been the National Frequency Agency in France who has conducted some tests to show how the iPhone 12 emits electromagnetic waves that are above European standards. Apple has pointed out that their devices comply with all regulations and are not above European levels. However, they have still agreed to send an update to their devices to adjust all of this. Although it is not known exactly what they will do through this software update, but it seems that they will indeed be able to reduce the radiation emitted by this device by adjusting the electromagnetic waves. It is expected that this update will arrive in the coming weeks, and that after Apple releases this update, the iPhone 12 can be put back on sale in that region. Because it was already expected that more countries would follow in the footsteps of France by banning the sale of this device. Among them, Belgium, Germany, and Italy, who were already reviewing the situation. However, it still seems strange that 3 years after the launch of this device for sale, this kind of details and reviews are coming out. We all wondered why this French agency did not release this revision from the launch of the device, but waited until 3 years later. Apparently, the update will be focused only on France, so if you have an iPhone 12 and you are afraid of radiation, it seems that this update that will lower the levels will not reach the rest of the world, although this has not yet been clearly and officially communicated. We will have to wait a little longer to know more details. For the moment, we come to the end of this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, you know you can tell us, and we'll see you next time.